Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2021 model Toyota Fortuner G, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 36k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, with service booklet, plate ending 1, leather seats, touchscreen display, dash camera, cruise control, reverse camera and sensors. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,288,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 200,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2021 model Honda CTS, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 27k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 3, touchscreen display, push start, SRS airbag, reverse sensor and camera, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 658,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 158,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Hyundai Palisade Prestige, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 24k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, with paint protection film, infotainment display, paddle shifter, parking brake, power and leather seats, panoramic sunroof, 360 camera, parking sensors, power liftgate, seat warmer, ventilation, blind spot monitoring system, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 2,198,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 792,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2019 model Suzuki Swift GL, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, fuel efficient, climate control, plate ending 1, touchscreen display, owner's manual and booklet, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 488,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 94,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2017 model Ford Everest Ambiente, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 71k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 4, reverse sensors, with spare key, owner's manual and booklet, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 748,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 152,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2016 model Subaru Outback, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 37k kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 0, panoramic sunroof, infotainment display, parking brake, paddle shifter, power and leather seats, reverse camera, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 718,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 141,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.